This is the underground cable fault locating van. The cables from the electricity which are running under the roads.
वीज खात्यान गोंयांत पहिली ऑटोमॅटिक अंडरग्राउंड केबल फॉल्ट लोकेट करपाची वॅन तैनात केल्या. ह्या वॅनीन अंडरग्राउंड पावर केबलान आशिल्लो फॉल्ट लोकेट करपाची सिस्टम आसा आनी ही सिस्टम केबल टेस्टिंग, फॉल्ट आशिल्लो वाठार वळखप, केबलाचे रूट्स ट्रेस करप, तशेंच अंडरग्राउंड नेटवर्काच्यो सगळ्यो एक्टिविटीज ज्यो एक्सेस नाशिल्ल्या वाठारांत आसा त्यो लेगीत वळखपाक शकता. ह्या वॅनीन राज्यभरातले विजेचे कश्ट कमी करपाची ताक आसा अशें वीज खात्याचें म्हणणें.
This is a fully automatic cable fault locating van. We have supplied it to Goa Electricity a few days ago in last week. So this is van for locating underground cable faults, and this van is equipped with tank delta and partial discharge also. We can do a VLF testing as well as a DC pressure testing. It is around 80 kV DC voltage and 57 kV VLF.
Okay. So how many vehicles, such vehicle be in Goa?
For now there is only one vehicle, but soon maybe near a month or after 2 months we will supply one more vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
there is a plan going out.
When it will be on the ground for real testing?
It is already on ground for the relay testing. Yesterday we have tested almost 2 HV cable faults with this equipment in Vasco.
So now there will be no power cut. If there is, then this van
power
will.
cut is natural, but this is to rectify where is the fault.
So can you explain me what is exactly and what is?
This is the underground cable fault locating van. The cables from the electricity which are running under the roads. So wherever there is a fault occurred underground, we don't know where is that fault. So this machine usually detects the fault which is where it is located, means it is around 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 5 kilometers.
So distance of the fault.
It gives you accurate distance of the fault.
Okay. So how much is the cost of these machines?
It is around 2.5 CR.
Okay. So this is the first vehicle which
is the first vehicle in
fault
Goa.
detector.
Yes, fault detector.
Okay. So when it is going to be inaugurated or launching?
It is already inaugurated in Vasco. We have already tested 2 faults yesterday successfully.
Okay.
So for now we have came here to show it to our chief engineer, sir.
Okay.
This one is the high voltage cable.
Okay.
This is the supply cable.
Okay.
And this is the earthing cable. And this is the earthing of the van. Auxiliary earthing of the body equipment of the van.
How it works? Can you tell me?
It works basically, we connect the supply, then we connect the earthing to the tested, means if you want to test a cable. So we connect the earthing and then we give the high voltage injection. There is a machine, this one is DC and this one is AC. So we give DC voltage, high voltage, 4 kV, 4000 volt, 8000 volt to the cable, then we detect the fault.
So this is already launched?
Yeah, it is already launched.
So 2 of the major faults you already found. In Vasco it is already tested.
Vasco we have tested 2 of the major faults yesterday.
Okay, the inside part.
Inside is the operator side and this one is the HT side.
Okay.
So here all the connection is there, and on the front side the engineer operates. To see the graph. Come, I will show you.
Sir, one more thing. We have seen this is all detection of the high tension and low tension.
Yes.
What about these? These are
the cable drums. One is of PD and one is of TD, tank delta partial discharge.
Okay.
Basically, in humans, wherever we do a full body health checkup, then we came to know what is deficiency in ourselves. Hemoglobin is low, calcium is low. This is the full body checkup of the cable. Preventive maintenance, we do it from this.
Okay. These are the cables.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the cable and this is the
this device. Shows that how much the life of that cable.
Yeah. Correct. How much is the
what is the strength and all.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
And what are the defects which is going to come in nearby future, so we can take preventive maintenance.
Okay. What are those which is there inside?
These are the machines. This is only a cable drum.
Okay.
So from where we will be inject the voltage which is from this.
आणि ताचेर सदांच विधानसभेत प्रश्न आसताले की आमकां अंडरग्रावंड केबल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मशिनरी आसा काय कितें त्या खातीर आमचे चीफ इंजिनियर आनी ताजे बरोबरचे बाकीचे सगळे इंजिनियरी लेटेस्ट टॅक्नोलॉजी आशिल्ले मशीन ऑस्ट्रियन हे घेवपाचें ठरयलें आनी त्या प्रमाणे आमी तें आज हाडलां. ताचें इनॉग्रेशन 1 तारखेक माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आमचे डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हांच्या हातान आमच्या असेंब्लीच्या आवारांत जातलें आनी त्या नंतर हे सगळें कार्यान्वीत जातलें. अश्यो 2 गाडयो आमच्यो गोंयांत येतल्यो आनी जे कितें अशे जे फॉल्ट्स आसा अंडरग्रावंड केबलीचा ते डिटेक्शन हे मशीन करतले आनी तातूंत आमचे जे इंजिनियर आसा तांकां ट्रेनींग केलें.
सो अंडरग्राउंड केबल आणि जे बाकीचे काम उरला ते केन्ना कंप्लीट जातले?
हो लॉंग प्रोसेस. आता आम्ही सध्या 33 kV आणि 11 kVच्योच लायनी घेतल्या आणि हे सगळे कंप्लीट जावपाक आमकां 2027 पर्यंत वतल्यात. आमी पयलीं फॉरेस्ट एरिया, डेन्स वेजिटेशन, देन एग्रीकल्चर एरिया आणि समुद्र किनारी सीशोर एरिया ही पयलीं घेवपाचें ठरलें. त्या प्रमाणे काम जाता आनी ट्युरिस्टीक इम्पॉर्टन्स एरिया जे आसा थंय काम घेवपाचें चालू केलां आनी तें काम कंप्लीट जाले नंतर मागीर टप्प्या टप्प्यान आमी एलटी करता. एलटी सुद्दां इट इज अ कॉस्टलियर प्रोसेस आनी त्या खातीर आमकां तें बजेटा प्रमाणे आमकां हें सगळें करचें.
सर हे सगळे अर्बन एरियाकूच आहा,
रुरल एरियेत चड गेले.
थंय जावंक ना सर अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग?
सगळे कडेन जाला. मी 70 तालुकांत वता. काणकोण तालुकांत येता ते 27 तारखेक सांजे 42 कोटीचें जें काम कंप्लीट जालां ताचें इनॉग्रेशन 27 तारखेक सांजे शेनवारा 6 वरांचेर काणकोण.
खंयच्या तालुक्यांत कंप्लीट जालां?
आज आमी जवळ जवळ 50% ऑफ पर्ये कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी काम जालां. मडकय जवळ जवळ 70% काम जालां. शिरोडा जवळ जवळ 70% जालां. सावड्ड्या टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट झाला. त्यानंतर धारबांदोडा एरिया म्हणजे सावड्ड्या, त्यानंतर वाळपय एरियेत टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट झाला. हळदोणा एरियेत टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट झाला. बाणावले एरियेत टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस कंप्लीट झाला. जवळजवळ 90 कोटीचं काम आम्ही केपें एरियेत केला. 120 कोटीची कामां आम्ही सांगे एरियेत घेतल्या आणि त्याच प्रमाणे कुडचडे एरियेत सगळें कंप्लीट जालें. आणि अशें न्हय की आमी काम करना. सांद्रे एरियेन आमी कंप्लीट केला. पेडणे एरियेन आमी कामां घेतल्या. आमची कामां रुरल एरियेत उरल्या ती म्हटल्यार थिमीत ताजो एस्टिमेट आमचो चल्ला आणि जे मागीर बाकीचे उरले थोडे थोडे काम ते आमी कवर.
सर केन्ना पर्यंत कंप्लीट जातले?
साधारण सगळे HT 33 kV 11 kV करपाक आमकां 2 वर्सां लागतलीं.